The first topic in punctuation we'll discuss today, use of comma. Comma is used to make the internal structure of the sentence clear. It is an internal punctuation mark. It is used for separation of elements which might otherwise seem to run together. It does so in three general ways: by separating elements which might otherwise be confused, by setting off interrupting constructions, and three, by marking words out of normal order. Number one, to prevent a confused, ambiguous or awkward reading. Like for instance, इस sentence को देखें, Hamid, our milkman, has been heard. Now, we cannot determine as to whether Hamid is the milkman or you are telling Hamid. तो अगर हामिद मिल्कमैन है तो ये हामिद और मिल्कमैन हैज बीन हर्ड, हामिद के बाद कॉमा लगाएंगे और मिल्कमैन के बाद कॉमा लगाएंगे। तो इसका मतलब है कि हामिद इज द मिल्कमैन एंड ही हैज बीन हर्ड। अगर आप हामिद को बता रहे हैं तो हामिद के बाद कॉमा लगाएंगे और फिर मिल्कमैन के बाद कॉमा नहीं लगाएंगे। When we had finished eating, the cigarettes were passed around. अगर आपने महसूस किया हो कि यहाँ eating के बाद मैंने pause लिया, अगर ये pause ना लिया जाए तो ऐसे feel होगा as if the cigarettes were being eaten. ये first reading में confusion का possibility create कर सकता है, second reading में इसकी कोई possibility नहीं। To separate two main clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction and or nor or but. The real purpose of this convention is to prevent possible misinterpretation on first reading. ऐसे देखें, he sprained his ankle and his temper was ruined. तो अगर ये otherwise first reading में ऐसे feel होगा कि he sprained both his ankle and his temper. इसलिए यहाँ ankle के बाद अगर आप कॉमा लगाएं तो ज़्यादा मुनासिब होगा, and से पहले. He sold his car and his wife was angry. तो ये बेहतर है कि हम कार के बाद कॉमा लगाएं. Comma is not used when the subject of the first clause is understood as the subject of the second. I discussed the question with the family and then made my decision. अब यहाँ पे कॉमा की जरूरत नहीं है before and. Number 3, to separate elements in series. अब ये देखें, he promised, attributed to Winston Churchill, he promised them only blood, sweat, toil and tears. ये सीरीज में बयान हुए हैं तो यहाँ पे toil के बाद और and से पहले कॉमा लगेगा. It is said of Akbar that he was first in war, comma, first in peace, comma, and first in the hearts of his people. We were tired, comma, hungry, comma, and disconsolate. Some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed. ये फ्रांसिस बेकन का है. और फिर and से पहले कॉमा लगाया है, and some few to be chewed and digested. Number 4, to separate two or more adjectives that modify the same noun. अब noun एक है, he is a person, ये noun है, he is a young. अब ये तीन adjectives लगे हैं, he is a young, energetic and enterprising. तो इनको अलग करने के लिए we use comma even before and. To separate contrasted elements in this not that construction. He is sick, comma, not tired. We were disgusted, not angry, comma लगेगा. This problem needs handling with sympathy, not harshness. अब not harshness से पहले comma लगेगा. To separate direct quotations, जैसे अगर आप कहें कि he said, comma, फिर quotation marks लगाएंगे तो उससे पहले भी she replied etc. इस सूरत हाल में भी आपको कॉमा लगाना पड़ेगा. In the following miscellaneous constructions in figures, for instance, तीन numbers के बाद उर्दू की साइड से शुरू करके आप एक कॉमा लगाते हैं. जैसे इस तरह गिनते हैं 5, 4, 7 फिर कॉमा. ये देखें 1, 2, 3 कॉमा 1, 2, 3 कॉमा. इस तरह ये in names followed by titles Zahid, comma, MD. At the end of the salutation informal letter Dear Hamid, in informal letter. वैसे with the passage of time this comma is being done away with. अब कोलन लगता है फॉर्मल में, लेकिन वो भी अब लगाने की बाज़ का जरूरत महसूस नहीं होती. आफ्टर इंट्रोडक्टरी yes or no, yes I'll do it. To separate elements in dates, addresses, and places names. The meeting of the Senate was held on Tuesday, August 15, 1997. To set off an interrupting construction. इसमें देखें, अगर कोई एक सीधा सेंटेंस जा रहा है और उसमें दरमियान में एक इंटरप्शन होती है, द मैन यू से हैज गॉन, यानी जिस आदमी का आप जिक्र कर रहे हैं या जो बात आप बता रहे हैं वो चला गया है, तो ये यू से के पहले और बाद में भी कॉमा लगेगा. टू सेट ऑफ इन अ पॉजिटिव जो होता है वो आइडेंटिफाइंग वर्ड है और फ्रेज है जो नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को या उसके मॉडिफायर को मॉडिफाई करती है, आइडेंटिफाई करती है, which is considered grammatically equivalent to the noun or pronoun it is identifying. Hamid, the champion, has retired. अब ये the champion जो है ये मॉडिफायर है बुनियादी तौर से, लेकिन ये इसको हमें पॉजिटिव कहेंगे. His father, the president of the company, तो उसके बाद और उससे पहले भी कॉमा लगाएंगे. They want us, you and me. I went to see Dr. S. Hamid, comma, the English professor. To set off nouns of address, जैसे I think, comma, madam, sir, comma, you are like a pen, but without either its head or its point. I wish I were going with you, Hamid. उससे पहले आपने कॉमा लगाया. To set off conjunctive adverbs and other transitional markers, we thought, comma, moreover, that we could get away with it. You must try, comma, first of all, comma, to consider it objectively. However, therefore, इस तरह के situation में हम comma लगाते हैं. To set off a noun restrictive modifier, जैसे आप देखें modifiers हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Modifiers में all the students who were absent will be required to do an additional assignment. अब all the students, not all the students who were absent. अब इससे पहले और इसके बाद में आप कॉमा लगाएं. College students, comma, who represent a superior intellectual group must be asked to accept the responsibility of leadership. To mark an inversion, myself, comma, I will vote in favor of it. Except for physics, comma, my courses are quite easy. To separate a long introductory phrase or an adverbial clause preceding the main clause. इसमें example देखें. Pulling over to the curb at the first opportunity, comma, I waited for the fire engine to pass. I'll go. If I go, comma, you will be sorry. अब यहाँ पे आपने when you say that, smile. अब हम देखते हैं misuses of comma. Too many commas are far more annoying than too few. The following rules should be carefully observed. ये देखें, do not use a comma instead of a period. ये हम comma splice में भी discuss कर चुके हैं. Between independent sentences. He spoke very quietly as I listened. यहाँ पे full stop होना चाहिए. I had the impression that he was speaking to himself. Full stop. Do not use a comma between closely related elements. अब यहाँ पे जरूरत तो आपको फील होती है, जो ऊपर हमने रूल्स पढ़े हैं. My car is at the service station, लेकिन हम नहीं यूज करेंगे. He said he would try. यहाँ पे कॉमा यूज नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है वो बहुत शॉर्ट है. Excessive use of comma, अगर आप देखें, one should be as miser in the use of comma as possible. As we had said that least punctuation is the best punctuation. The modern tendency is to keep punctuation to a minimum. However, comma, it is not, comma, in my opinion, comma, desirable. अब ये too many commas will make the writing or speech a little monotonous. So the best way is, when in doubt, leave it out. So leave out the comma before leave. Thank you.